Okay, so we have this hydrant up here at our barn. This is our barn. It's just wrapped in plastic because we're doing siding. But up at our barn, and when we turn it on, you can kind of hear a little bit of like pressure, but nothing obviously happens. So we're hoping that there's a line that shoots, let's see, straight down to our well house, which is over here. So I have to go around this way. But if it's already buried and I can rig it up down there to make it work for a few minutes, just to see if it works, that would be awesome. All right, so we have this PVC that was cut, and it's turned off and it goes somewhere. Now I'm hoping, cross some fingers here, that this leads up to the barn hydrant. If it does, it's going to save a ton of time and money and everything. So I'm not going to plumb all this up into here yet. What we're going to do is we're going to make a temporary setup, tuck a hose bib up in here, and then just blast a bunch of water in here and see where it comes out. Now, I hope it comes out, like I said, at the bottom. Let's see. What I'm doing here is I cut down a hose, and I basically just wanted to make a hose with two male ends. The reason I did this is because the PVC pit fitting I bought was a female. Alright, should be good enough for now. Again, this is temporary. It's going to be used for a one-time deal, and then it's going to be put in a toolbox or something. Put the gasket back in there so we don't have any leaks. And that's all I did, was make two female ends, or male, I don't know which ones these are considered. So now I'm going to take this sleeve, I'm going to slide it over here, like that, and then I'm going to put a hose bib in here. So put some primer on real quick, clean it up, soften it up, let that dry. The stuff stains too, so if you're using this, don't use it around concrete unless you have like a bucket or a towel to put it in, and it'll get on your hands, it'll stain it purple for a while. And if you're using it around a tub or toilet, do not get this on the porcelain. It will be there forever. Alright, so we're going to take our valve, fully opened, we're going to put it into these threads. There we go. When I'm done with this, I'm just going to cut it off, and if it works, I'm going to properly rig up some PVC. So now we're going to hook up this. Alright, I'll hook it up over here. Alright, so it's hooked up. You know, I'm just gonna, this seems fine. Let's see what happens. I'll go a little bit at first. It's flowing. It's good. Let's find out where it's going. Hey, look, little buddy. Don't pee on me. I'm hoping, like I said, hoping that it's up here. There's the hose. All right, moment of truth. Oh. It's a good sign, right? Ha ha ha! I, man, have made water. All right, so I'm super happy that that worked out. It's unbelievable. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and turn off this hose. This is just a hose bib. There's no hose bibs around the house. This is the only one I got, so it looks like they threw a little thing in here. This is really not ideal for this, so I'm not gonna use it too much. So it looks like this is the house, and this was added on for the shop. Now the shop hose is over there. It's right up against by the door. It looks like it went here and then turned here, and this goes right up to the barn. Now they probably just didn't have enough room in here to add on or something along those lines, so they just cut it off, and maybe they didn't use the barn. I don't know. The shop was added afterwards, obviously, so either way, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna end up cutting off here, and we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna put some additional add-ons for extras too, because I want to put some hose bibs, and I also want to have one go out to my pigs, because right now we're just running a hose out there, and it's fine because they're still small. There's that blue barrel, you can see. We've only filled it up twice, and it's been over a month, so pretty good. Alright, well, if you like videos like this, go ahead and smash that like button. Leave a comment if this helped you out in any way. I don't know how it can, but for us, we got really lucky. And if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and look out for future videos. Thanks for watching.